Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up the parking brake in maintenance mode in this Ford Fusion. The procedure applies pretty much for every model from 2013 up to 2020. And this procedure is needed in the case that you want to change the rear brake pads or disc. And the first thing that I'm going to do is open the switch. Once I do that, I'm going to press all the way down the gas pedal, and then I'm going to push down the parking brake button and I'm going to hold it for 5 seconds. Then I'm holding it, I'm going to close the switch and then open it again. Once I do that, in my cluster, as you guys can see, a message is going to pop out that it says park brake maintenance mode. And that means that the procedure was done correctly, and now I can change my brake pads or the rotors. It depends what kind of service you're doing in your car. Once the brake job is done, we have to remove the park brake maintenance mode. In order to do that, I'm gonna open the switch and then press all the way down the gas pedal. And then my button to activate the parking brake, I'm gonna lift it and hold it for 5 seconds. While I hold this thing up, I'm gonna close the switch and open the switch again. And then my message for the park brake maintenance mode will disappear. I can double check this, removing the keys and then opening the switch again, or even turn on the car again. And if I don't have that message again, that means that my procedure was done correctly. And pretty much with this, we're finishing the video. I hope this video helped you guys, is useful for you, and if that is the case, I will appreciate if you click on like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.